You're repeating yourself.
Yeah, I am.
Will you go away now? You want to watch me? You want to follow for a while? I strenuously object to playing the 20 questions game, so I'm not going to do that with you.
And it looks like you're starting to cop an attitude with me for no reason.
In today's video, we feature Baby Driver, someone who often records his journeys across the United States using a dash cam. Like most people on long road trips, there are times when he needs to pull over to rest or take care of something before continuing the drive. For that reason, he safely pulled off the road and moved into a legal parking area to handle a personal matter before getting back on his way. However, this simple and responsible decision unexpectedly led to a series of events that followed. It's important to note that Jay was not stopped for any traffic violation, and he did not request assistance from anyone. Yet from that moment on, a tense situation began to unfold, and his dash cam captured everything.
Hey man, doing okay?
There's absolutely no reason for all the light.
Oh no, it's just so I can see. I just need to know.
Dear, you see I turned all the lights on in here, right?
Yes.
So you don't need that flashlight. Or that big old high beam either.
Sir, that's not your concern. I just want to make sure you're okay while you're sitting here.
It's my concern if it's in my face.
Sir, I'm just doing my job.
Thank you. Good night.
Are you need a tow or anything? Is your car broke down? Or are you just sitting here?
Would you go do your job, please?
Yeah, I am. Making sure that you're okay.
Oh, yeah.
You can just answer the question.
No. I don't need to answer any questions, my dear. Please, go. You can go. Thank you.
Having a bad night?
You're making it a bad night. Hey, listen, are you really... You don't have anything better to do than to hassle somebody and shine your light in their face?
Sir, I understand that you're having a problem with that, but...
Yeah.
I saw you sitting here, so I just needed to make sure that...
My lights were on. Are my flashers on? Let's see here. There's my flashers. No, is the hood up? No, the hood ain't up. Did I flag anybody down?
It's just unusual to see someone sitting here, so that's the only reason why I stopped. I can see that you're okay, and I just wanted to verify that verbally. I just needed a yes or no, sir. That was all I needed. I didn't need to have a hard time with you. It's just unusual to see somebody sitting here at night.
You're repeating yourself.
Yeah, I am.
Will you go away now?
Sir, can you just give me a yes or no?
Yes or no what?
Are you okay to drive?
You want to watch me? You want to follow for a while?
I just wanted to know why you were sitting here, sir. That was it.
Ain't none of your business, that's why. How's that?
Fine.
Okay, great. You can go now. Something I can do for you?
Yeah, sir. Just wondering if everything's okay.
Everything's fine and dandy, sir. I thank you for checking on me.
Okay. Well, so here's the deal, okay? We just actually had a call in the area of a girl that was getting chased. Okay, and a car came and picked her up and drove her off. Okay, no one else in here with you?
Oh, no. Look,
okay.
Here.
Do you live up and around here, I take it?
Well, you know, I strenuously object to playing the 20 questions game, so I'm not going to do that with you.
Okay. Do you have ID on you?
Yeah, but so what?
Okay. Would you mind if I got that?
Sure, I would.
Okay. What about giving me your name?
My name's Jay.
Jay?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Jay. My name's Deputy Gertler. I'm with the Kootenai County Sheriff's Office.
Uh-huh.
What's your last name, Jay?
Well, you know what? I just told you I don't like asking questions.
Okay.
Why don't you get your light out of my camera there?
What light? What camera?
That camera right there. Get your light out of the camera so it can see who you are.
Is that better?
I hope so.
Okay. So Jay, what's your last name? Like I said, you know, my whole reason for
it's right here. Your whole reason for what? The girl that got picked up
is because we had a call right around here of a young lady being chased. Doesn't that concern you a little bit?
Do you see a young lady?
I don't, but I also like to know people in the area.
Yeah.
Of where something might have been happening. Wouldn't you like that if that was your daughter or wife? Someone was chasing you and there was a car sitting on the side of the road very close to where that was happening, darked out, facing the train tracks?
Wow, that sure is suspicious, isn't it?
It is.
Wow.
It is.
Is your life really that empty?
All right, Jay. Well, I tell you what, I'll just run your plate. I'll figure out who you are that way. All right, and you have yourself a fantastic night.
Hey,
What's going on?
are you broken down?
Not at all.
Not at all. Everything okay?
Yeah, they were until you got here.
Well, what's wrong now that I'm here?
Gee, let me think for a minute. Here, now that you're out of the camera, let's get you in the camera here.
Do you need my help or not?
Not at all.
Not at all. Okay.
Would you get the light out of the camera, please?
No, I won't.
No, you
Do you
won't.
need any help or not? What I was doing was I was stopping to make sure you're okay, and it looks like you're starting to cop an attitude with me for no reason. I'm here to try to help you. If you don't need help, I'm out of here, because obviously you don't want it.
The ending of this story really makes many people question the officer's behavior. From the very beginning, the man was simply parked in a legal parking area, committing no traffic violation, not asking for assistance, and not creating any kind of danger. Yet instead of keeping his distance and respecting the citizen's privacy, the officer approached with a confrontational attitude, repeatedly shining a light into the man's face and attempting to pressure him into answering questions even though the man had clearly stated several times that he did not wish to engage in a conversation. Under U.S. law, particularly the principles related to the Fourth Amendment of the Constitution, police cannot arbitrarily detain, question, or investigate someone without reasonable suspicion that a crime has been committed. Simply sitting in one's own vehicle in a legal parking area at night does not provide legal grounds for a forced investigation. In many similar cases, courts have also affirmed that citizens are not obligated to answer police questions if they are not being lawfully detained.